Today's video is regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 9020 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge in this printer. Now first step is to switch on the printer, make sure it's on, and open the ink cartridge chamber door. So there is a place to open. As you can see, there is a place here. So if you open this door, the ink cartridge chamber door will open, and now you just simply have to look at the chamber, and you will see here the ink cartridges come to the middle. So press them inside one by one and they will come out. And to replace, it's very easy. You simply have to make sure the blue ring like structure stays outside and bottom HP logo stays upside, and place it here and slide it in and push it in. So just do it one by one. This way we can install it, and once you are done, you simply have to close the ink cartridge chamber door. Also check for the confirmation on the display panel. Now our ink is installed. Thanks for watching.